Here we're trying to find the term named in the problem. They give us a sequence of numbers, and then they said find A12. So I need to figure out what's happening in this pattern. How are they generating the next number in the pattern? They could be adding or subtracting the same number every time. They could be multiplying, or they could be doing something else. So just looking at that, I see we're alternating signs. So they're probably multiplying by a negative number. If I think about how can I turn -3 into 9, what math operation do I have to do with what operation? That makes me think of multiplication by -3. So I'm going to check that out and see if it's a common ratio. Is that the same thing happening between each number? So 9 times -3, yeah, that would give me -27. And if I multiply -27 by -3, that would give me +81. So that appears to be the pattern. That means our sequence is geometric. So I'm going to start off with the explicit formula for a geometric sequence. So I can get any term by taking the first term, multiplying by the common ratio r, and raising it to the n-1. Now that's a formula that's given to you on your EOC. And then I just need to substitute in the proper numbers. So they want us to find A12. That's the 12th number in the pattern. Now I could use this formula. I could also, since 12 is not that far in the pattern, I could just continue that pattern multiplying by -3 until I get to the 12th number. And that would be fine. But as we increase our terms, that could turn into a time-consuming event, and you may want to resort to the formula. So A1's -3, and R is also -3, and I want to raise that to the 12 minus 1. And we get 531,441.